Ready to turn that overwhelming spreadsheet data into clear, actionable insights? Let's dive into how to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio and build amazing reports. First, head over to Looker Studio. You can just Google it. Then, click the Create button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Report. This will open a new, blank report ready for your data. Now, you'll see the Connect to Data panel. Scroll down or search for Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets option. A list of your Google Sheets will appear. Find the sheet you want to use for your report and click on it. You'll see options for using the first row as headers and including hidden or filtered cells. Make sure these are set correctly for your data. Then, click the Connect button in the bottom right corner. Congratulations, your Google Sheet data is now connected to Looker Studio. You'll see a default table automatically generated, showing your data. To visualize your data differently, click on the table and then click the chart icon in the toolbar. A menu will drop down offering a range of charts: bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and more. Choose the one that best represents your data. You can customize your chart using the Properties panel on the right here. You can change the dimensions, metrics, colors, and even add filters to focus on specific data subsets. Play around with different chart types and customization options to create a visually compelling and insightful dashboard. Explore adding filters, scorecards, and text boxes to tell the complete story of your data. Now, go and transform your spreadsheets into powerful reports.